Hello, writers! Welcome to our writing lesson. I am Miss Caro from Second B, and I appear in this picture. I saw your writings, and they were amazing. They reminded me something. One day, I was writing my teaching book about yoga, and I was working hard to have in each page something interesting for my readers. So I decided to write about some stretches. In yoga, you have a lot of stretches. The hardest stretch in the world is called the thingy. To do the thingy, you have to put your foot over your head. I was so proud of what I wrote, so I decided to read it to Miss Javi. And she told me that there wasn't any move called thingy. I realized that I have to use precise words to teach my readers. The problem is that fancy words sometimes are difficult to spell. Today's teaching point is non-fiction writers use fancy words to teach others about a topic. Guess what? The pose is called the crocodile. This is a fancy word. I have to be brave and write it. There are different ways to spell words. One, that is the one that we are going to use now. We have to say it, slide it with our finger, hear it, and then write it. Look how brave I was. Croc. Dial. Crocodile. Another way is to write it part by part. Let's see. Crocodile. Did you see, writers? I wrote a fancy word. You have many ways to spell words, but you have learned in this lesson 2 ways. Writers, I noticed that you are writing about cats, dogs, cars, food, recycling. And now it's time to use fancy words. Don't be afraid. Be brave. Remember, when you write fancy words, use the strategies that we have learned. For example, write part by part, words that you know, or reread the words. Writers, now go to your writing place, take your writing copybook and write using fancy words. Remember that non-fiction writers use precise words to teach about their topics. Goodbye, writers. See you next lesson. Have a good day. Bye.